What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and today I am bringing you a very delicious burger. This is the burger that I cooked in Key West on a sandbar, took second place with my all-women's team, and I'm spilling the secrets and sharing the recipe with you. So let's get started. If you tuned in to our video a couple weeks ago, you saw the Key West Invitational recap. There was a lot of behind the scenes. It was an amazing cooking competition. We did burgers on a sandbar at a party, and it was honestly not only one of the most delicious burgers I've ever made and eaten, but the setting was unbelievable. Now, you might not be on a sandbar, but you can still have a cheeseburger in paradise. We're gonna start with, I got 2 pounds of ground beef, quarter-pound patties, and they're shaped, importantly, about a ½ inch larger than the bun itself to accommodate for shrinkage. Now, when we were on the sandbar, look at how I put on my stupid glove. That's why I can't multitask. When we were on the sandbar, we had the beef patties provided by RC Ranch, who makes absolutely delicious Wagyu, and you can order their Wagyu patties online and literally have the same burger in your backyard that we had out there. It was so delicious. We hit these patties with beef rub, and I really think beef rub was the key to getting this burger into second place. So liberally seasoned on both sides. If you can't get your hands on Wagyu patties though, just make sure you buy at least 80-20 ground beef so you have a good amount of fat in your patty. Season both sides, and these are going to be cooked over charcoal. I've got charcoal preheating on the grill behind me. You saw we had big green eggs out on the water, but charcoal is the key to the flavor of a really classic backyard burger. The other components of the burger include bacon jam. You can pick up a jar of bacon jam at your grocery store, or I'll share a super secret recipe with you in the caption for my homemade bacon jam. This is actually going to be a cookbook exclusive, and I haven't talked about the cookbook yet, but it is happening, and my bacon jam recipe is gonna be in the cookbook, but I will share it with you if you scroll down to the video description. Bacon jam, thick cut bacon, whole jalapenos, sliced cheddar cheese. We're gonna get the bacon on the grill first and cook that until it's nice and crisp. Along with these jalapenos, we have the fire roasted jalapenos and the nice crispy bacon. Bacon jalapenos prepped, toast off the buns. It's time to cook the patties. We're just gonna go direct over the coals, keep the temperature a little bit low, flip them a few times so we get a nice crispy crust on the outside. Cook your burgers to your favorite doneness. I'm gonna pull mine closer to medium, but the FDA recommends 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature for ground meat. Last couple minutes, throw on some of your sliced cheddar cheese so we can make a bacon jalapeno cheddar cheeseburger. This is a good day. Do I wish I was on a sandbar? Yes. Am I sad I'm in my backyard next to my grill? No. Burgers are cooked, it's time to assemble. I'm gonna slice some of my jalapenos into rings. I didn't peel the skin off or anything. We went seeds and all. This is a sweet heat style of burger. If you're spice averse, test your jalapenos first. Make sure they're not one that's like too spicy to enjoy. Healthy scoop of bacon jam. Spread that on the bottom. The bacon jam is your condiment. Now this has sugar, but it also has vinegar, it has bacon, it has a little bit of heat in here. It is a really fantastic burger condiment. Then we go in with the patty, which is literally the perfect size for the bun. That's why we make them a little bit bigger. Sliced jalapenos. Some of your grilled bacon. I did kind of 3 half pieces on our turn-in. Top bun gets a little bit more of that bacon jam. And this is a simple burger. It really only has, is that 4 ingredients outside of like the ground beef? And that's it. Cheeseburger in paradise, second place burger in the Sandbar Barbecue Cook-Off. And I have to tell you, one of my favorite burgers to date, and I think everybody on my team agreed. You could see we brought everybody in for a big final bite. It was a very fun moment in my barbecue life. I'm gonna give this burger a big bite. I wanna see what you would put on your cheeseburger in paradise. Leave a comment below. We'll be sharing more backyard barbecue tips, tricks, and recipes if you follow along on our channel. See you next time. Oh my gosh.